There's a gold mine hiding in plain sight. It doesn't require coding, it doesn't need a startup fund, and chances are you've never even heard of it. We're told the AI game is already full. ChatGPT reskinning, selling AI art, prompt engineering. But what if I told you that's just the surface? Today, I'll show you the AI side hustles nobody's talking about and why they might be the most profitable opportunities in 2025. Let's dive into the quiet revolution, where AI meets niche entrepreneurship. So, where do we start? And we are already doing something you probably kick an ass with: content creation. Except, what if that content was anything but generic? What if it felt personal with a cap P, as in written for an individual, just this one single person? Content is king, but personalized content? That's royalty in 2025. Imagine this. You create a microblog that speaks directly to vegan bodybuilders over 40, or AI-generated newsletters for parents of children with ADHD. How? Use AI models like ChatGPT-4, Claude, or Perplexity to analyze Reddit threads, forums, and niche blogs. Understand pain points, language, desires, and generate tailored content that speaks their language. Combine this with AI analytics tools to A/B test tone, style, and even emojis. Once trained, your system generates weekly content, captions, emails while you sleep. Monetize via affiliate links, ebooks, or niche product drops. You're not writing for everyone, you're writing deeply for someone. That's the edge. Now, let's zoom out. As everyone is racing up for content, okay, it's cool and all, but you know where the real opportunity lies? Right in front of your nose. Mom and pop shops in need of analytics, but lacking the time or the resources to gain them. Local businesses don't just want data, they want answers. Meet Data Whisperer, your AI-assisted agency that offers micro-intelligence reports for gyms, salons, cafes, tutors. Tools like Browse AI or Hexomatic can scrape competitor pricing from Google Maps, reviews from Yelp, Zomato, JustDial, social media chatter, and hashtags. Then plug the data into ChatGPT plus Claude to generate your top 3 threats in the area, what customers love about your rival, and how to beat them. For the business owner, this is gold. Charge $99 to $4.99 per report, and you've got an AI-powered agency without employees. All right, now let's switch gears to something a little more creative. If you've got an eye for aesthetics or a love for digital design, this next hustle is all about turning AI-generated visuals and audio into assets people actually want to buy. Stock photos? Overdone. AI-curated mood-driven aesthetic packs? That's new. Think retro Corini window wallpapers, Afro-futuristic podcast intros, cottagecore TikTok video loops. Use tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI for visuals. Use 11 Labs plus AI DAWs for custom audio. Curate them into branded bundles and list them on Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market. You're not just selling a file, you're selling a vibe. And with AI, creating unique assets is just a few prompts away. Bonus? These packs are reusable, passive, and scalable. But what if your side hustle didn't need to create content at all? What if it just ran itself, doing boring, repetitive tasks 24/7? That's where micro AI agents come in, and they're seriously underrated. This is wild. You can now build tiny AI agents that do repetitive jobs better than interns. Think of a virtual assistant that summarizes 10 podcasts daily, finds expired domains with traffic, or auto-replies to Shopify DMs. Tools like AutoGPT, AgentGPT, and OpenPipe can automate boring workflows. Package this into services, offer AI concierge packages to solopreneurs. 1 agent equals $0.01 an hour. 5 clients equals $1,000 a month. That's a side hustle run by other AIs. So now you're probably wondering, how do you actually start? You don't need to master everything overnight. Let's talk about how to pick your first idea, get moving, and build something real without burning out. You don't need to do all of this at once. Choose one that matches your interests and build from there. Step 1. Pick a niche you understand. Step 2. Learn the basic tools. You don't need to code. Step 3. Build a simple offer and let AI do the heavy lifting. The real key is, don't chase trends. Chase problems that AI can uniquely solve. These aren't shortcuts, they're smart cuts. The AI revolution won't be televised, but it can be monetized by people like you who move before the crowd. Smash the like button if you just found a fresh idea. Drop your favorite unheard of AI side hustle in the comments. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time? Right now.